So very lightweight, easy to pilot, wing-shaped drone. You can pilot it with our controller, the Parrot Sky controller, so in Wi-Fi, but also it's compatible, it will be compatible with any standard RC remote control. The idea of the Parrot Disco is really to have you feel like a bird and experience what it is to fly like a bird. So it's very easy to fly. You just throw it and it will gain altitude and then it will turn waiting for your instruction. And thanks to the embedded camera, you will have an immersive view of each flight. With our Parrot Sky controller, you can connect some FPV glasses, meaning that you will have just a true experience of what it is being in the air and fly gracefully as a bird.